Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. I want to thank everyone for leaving their comments. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me a thumbs up. And if you have not already, if you like this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification button. If you're interested in dancing along to this instructional to the music, I'll post it at the end of this video. Just click on it and let's dance and let's sing together. So this next line dance I'm going to teach you, it is a classic. It's called the Marvin Gaye Walk. It's to the music Ain't That Peculiar. So it might be named Ain't That Peculiar, but from my research, the name of it is Marvin Gaye Walk. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. Let's go. So it's going to start with a walk to the left, a walk to the right, a walk to the left, okay? So you can walk or you can bind, okay? So I'm going to bind. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, stomp, stomp. So that's going to be our first 8 count. Walk into the left, walk into the right, walk into the left, stomp, right, left. So you can walk or bind. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So that's your first 8 count. So we stomp right, and we're going to stomp left. We're going to stomp right again on the right, and we're going to fan. 1 and 2. So we're going to step on 2. So you stomp and you fan. 1 and 2. And we're on 2, you're going to lean in and you're going to rock, double rock with the knee, and rock back, double, and then we're going to rock single, single. So what did we do? We stomp right, left. So it's 1 and 2. Stomp, stomp, out, in, knee, knee, and single, single. Okay? So let's put that together. Walk into your left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. When you step, 8 is going to be on your right. You're going to turn to your right and walk into the next wall. That's a quarter turn. It's a 4-wall dance. 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Think. So when I turn, I did tap. It's 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Tap. Okay? So that's pretty much the dance. So when you stomp on that right, you go right, left, 1 and 2. Your weight needs to be in the front. So you can do knee, knee. And rock back, knee, knee. And then single, rock, rock, tap, and turn. So let's go back to that part, going to the top. Going to your left. 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Your weight needs to be forward on 2. Then your knee. 3 and 4. Rock back. 5 and 6, and 7, and 8, and turn. All right? So that is the Marvin Gaye Walk. I'm going to post the demo. Let's dance together. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.